What is up, Savages? Welcome back to the stream. Thanks so much for tuning in again. And I wanted to give a shout out to recent subscribers. Tim Adams, thanks for subscribing. Tuxi Saramak, thanks. Michael Schubert, thanks. I think I know who that is. Shubi, I believe. Siba Galimba, Raul de Jesus, Jovan Naz, I don't know. I can't say that word, that name. Coleman and Derek, thanks so much for subscribing. You guys are awesome. I appreciate it a lot. What's up, Richard Porter? I am just going to try. I haven't done this before, but my C drive is kind of running out of space, and I wanted to see about moving one of my folders is the Ravencoin blockchain, and it's about 6.9 gig, I believe. So it's taken up a fairly large amount of space. So I was going to see about moving it. So I figured I would fire up the live stream and let y'all watch me lose all my Raven. I'm just kidding. I'm pretty confident I can get it done without losing anything. So that is what we are going to try to do. Let me just show you where I'm at right now. I've got 14,000 Raven in this one wallet right here. I used to mine to it. I've been mining to it. I was mining to it recently too. The problem is, like I was saying, is that it's just taking up too much room. The blockchain folders are. So I wanted to move them. And that, I want to say, I'm just looking at the size of the folder right now. Yeah, the blocks folder is 6.91 gig. So if you look right here, this is basically what stores your blockchain data. 6.91 gig, and you got all the different DAT files in here. So what we're going to try to do is we're going to try to without sending the Raven to another wallet, reinstalling the wallet, making it choose a new location and all that jazz. We're going to actually try to do it seamlessly without having to worry about, I guess it will probably, the way I'm going to do it, it will have to download it again, download the blockchain again. I probably could, I might try this. What we might try to do is after we change it, we might try to copy this. That's probably what we're going to do. Copy this folder over to the new location, and then that way it won't have to sync again. So we'll see if this works. I don't know. I don't know how this is going to go. We're gonna give this a shot though. So the first thing we're going to want to do, now the wallet is running, so I would imagine that I'll need to shut that down. But before we do that, just in case, I'm going to back up the wallet. So we're going to go over here. I'm going to actually do this off screen so you don't see all my other files and stuff here. So I'm just choosing a location to back up the wallet to. It's deep. My location is way deep in there. Alright, so you can see I've got a bunch of other backups in here. Don't really need them all, but I always do it like this. So I put the date on there like that. And save that. So now I should have if I go and check that folder, there should be a new, let me bring that folder back up. I'm just going to check that file and see the size of it too. My backup folder here. Yeah, so as you can see right here, 18 June 2019. And it's 17, and the date modified was just a few minutes ago, right? Just 1 minute ago, and then the size is 17 megs. So you can compare it to the other ones that I've saved a while back, and you can kind of get a pretty good feeling that what you're looking at is accurate because it's larger, right? So the blockchain's larger and all that stuff, or the data in your wallet file is larger. So, all right. So that is cool. I think I'm pretty confident that we have a good backup now. So the next thing, there's a couple of different ways of doing this. One, you could edit the registry, and the other way is to launch the wallet with choose data directory or choose data dir switch. Okay, and we'll do it both ways. We'll do the registry location way first, and then we'll do the choose data directory switch way. We'll do it that way second. So if you're not too familiar with Windows 10 or Windows in general, in order to get into REGEDIT, hopefully that doesn't kill everything. Let me see if y'all are still there, because I had to choose to allow that to run. All right, yeah, I think we're still good, right? Still says live. All right. I know this is off screen for right now. Let me just get to the right location here. Make sure there's nothing crazy on here for y'all to see. That should be okay, I guess. Alright, so you would navigate to, actually, yeah, right here, you can see it up here at the top. So you just go to your start menu, type in RegEdit, like that, and it should find it. And then whenever you run it, it needs admin permissions to actually do it. And so run it, and then you'll come up with Registry Editor, and then you'll navigate to, you'll see how to do this. You'll see, it's HKey current user, and then software, and then Raven QT, right? Raven and then Raven QT. So once you navigate to here like this and you highlight that, you'll see the folder that we're going to be messing with, or the value that we're going to be messing with. So what we are looking for is str data dir, which is right here. So you can see that the current location is under users, Charles, app data, roaming, and Raven. So that's the current location of the data directory. All right, and we want to change that. Actually, wait a minute. Yeah, I guess that's right. It's kind of weird because I don't think that's. It's probably. Hang on. Let me double check something real quick. Because I want to make. I've installed a lot of different wallets on this machine, so I want to make sure I'm looking at the right thing here. Give me just a second here. So, all right, yeah, this is all right, I got it. Let me just make sure. Yeah, I think this is right. Okay. All right, so what we're going to do, this is correct. And that's the one I'm running now. That's this wallet here, that location. So we are going to change this to the location that I want to put it, the new location. And that is going to be, let me navigate to it over here. I'll just copy it. Sorry, I'm going a little bit slow. Let's see. You know what? This is not what I'm thinking it is, to be honest. This is just the wallet data, the wallet location, which is fine because I mean I need to change that too, but this is not blockchain data. Yeah, I think I messed this up. Let me see. Let me look through some notes here real quick. I don't know why I'm second guessing myself, but it just seems like I'm not. It seems like I'm thinking about two different things here. I must be tired. I mean, we can press on, but this is not actually blockchain data because that is already in the right spot. So it doesn't really matter what this wallet location is. But if you did want to change it, I'm going to have to like totally take this stream down because this is not right. Yeah, that's kind of goofy. I didn't do enough research on this one, guys. Yeah. This is just this looks like it's just going to be the wallet. From what I can tell. I don't know. Let's see how many people are in here. What do y'all think? Did I get confused here? I think I did. Yeah, because my point is that I wanted to get the blockchain data moved. And I understand that, well, let's just press on. Let's just do it. I'll just change it and then we'll see what happens. All right, let's see here. So the new location that I want this to go is going to be like that right there. So that's where I'm going to try to put it. So just click OK there. No, I didn't close the wallet yet, I don't think, did I? No. I'll go ahead and exit all the way out of it. Alright, and then let's go ahead and close Registry Editor. We'll close this as well. And then we will try to relaunch the wallet and let's just see what happens. I don't know, that's kind of funny. I was thinking that it was going to move that the blockchain data, but that's not what this is doing. My bad. Error opening block database. Do you want to rebuild the block database? Okay. So this is probably going to take a while. Yeah, because it didn't grab that location. It doesn't. There's got to be a way of doing this. There's got to be a way of telling it where the blockchain data is. And I thought that's what I was looking at whenever I was looking at the info on it. Oh well, I was wrong. It's okay to be wrong sometimes, I guess. Say the 18th. Yeah, it's creating some new folders and stuff over there in that folder. So it is going to take forever to. Let me see here. It already has a 6.8 gig blocks folder in that same location, right? Because we saw that before, or I saw that before. So I'm thinking that it's just re-indexing this database here, and the blockchain data is already there, it looks like. It's just redoing the database. Yeah, and see it's got 0 Raven in there. That's always like super scary. So eventually that will, I'll just let it sync, I mean, or re-index, because it's not, it even says that it's not really downloading the blockchain, it's just re-indexing the database. So I think we're good. I'll just let that rock and go from there. But technically we did move the location of the wallet, not the actual database or the blockchain data, like I was thinking. All right, so now actually having said all this, I think I can just go, I'll probably be able to just go and delete that folder. It's probably an old folder then that I have on my C drive. I don't know, it's funny that y'all get to see me like, you know, the gears are turning here. All right, I'm going to get off of here. I'll probably be back. I don't know what we'll be doing, but maybe about 9:30 I'll fire things back up and we'll do this again. I'm probably going to take this stream down though, since I messed up the thumbnail and everything, because it's more about the wallet, not the blockchain data. So anyway, thanks for tuning in, guys. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll probably be back in a few minutes. You guys are awesome. Thanks for hanging out. Stay savage.